What would you do if your broadband went out for an hour? How about a day or even a whole week? What would you do? Would you be able to work, stay in touch with your friends? And what would you watch on TV? Well, firstly, don't panic. Here's what to do if your broadband goes down. If your internet goes out, it could be due to a number of reasons. If there's a problem with your provider's network, you could see a disruption to your internet. Broadband cables or equipment could have been damaged or stopped working due to things like extreme weather, vandalism, or general wear and tear. If this is the case, you'll be offline until an engineer can fix the issue. These types of outages don't typically affect just one property, so go and check with your neighbours or visit a site like Down Detector to see if there are outages in your area. If this is the case, you'll need to report the fault to your provider straight away. Contact them directly and check their social media pages for updates on the fault. If the outage only affects you, there could be an issue with the cable that connects your home to your provider's network, or something in your in-home setup that's at fault. This could be something as simple as your router needing to be reset or moved, or it could be something more complicated, like a problem with your home connection. Double-check everything you can access first before contacting your provider to report an outage. You'd be surprised how many times the internet can be fixed by switching your router off and on again. If that's not it, get in touch with your provider as they might have to send out an engineer. You can find your provider's contact details on your latest bill or in our dedicated guide. If you are stuck offline, it's important to have a backup plan. For example, you can use your mobile phone as a hotspot and use its data while you wait for an engineer to visit. Finally, is the internet out or is it just really, really slow? At key points during the day, you might notice that your internet speed drops dramatically. If everyone's home and streaming, gaming and downloading, then that could be the reason. Likewise, if your neighbours are all streaming, gaming and downloading at the same time, that could impact your speeds as well. This is a limitation of older broadband connections. So if this is the case, the best solution is to check and see if there are faster, more reliable broadband speeds available where you live. Visit uswitch.com for more information or to switch to a more reliable connection now.